I just woke up literally in the most amazing mood. I never ever film in the morning, but I got up and I wanted to film. But first I had to shower and do like brush my teeth and do my skincare routine. So I'm literally fresh downstairs. Literally everyone is still asleep, and literally this is the first time I've ever been in the mood to actually film in the morning, which feels really good because I'm always in the mood to film at night. So let me show you guys. So my friends over at Afsister Wigs sent me over a beautiful package. Of course, I already busted open like 2 days ago. I've been anxious to film this video for you guys, but you know, every time I'm ready to do it, I just don't have time. So I'm happy to have time now. So they gave 2 packs of these netted wig caps. Honestly, I don't ever use these, but you know, cool to get a free gift. They also send you a baggie that has your elastic and it has your combs. So this is the wig here, and I'm really excited. I believe this is considered a 99J. Where's my brush? So as I said before, I've already, you know, tried it on for size, and I absolutely love it. She is a nice, beautiful burgundy ombre. She's ombre really nice. It doesn't feel too blunt. You know, it's, you know, a little bit feathered, so it's just not like it's pre-parted. Of course, I have it linked down below. When you flip it inside out, you have a comb, adjustable straps in the back. You also have your 3 combs in the front, which I'm going to get rid of all 3. Oh my god, I didn't even realize this is actually, it's pre-parted, but it's actually a full lace wig. This is the back of the wig, and you see it's going to look like scalp. Really cool. That makes me want to do half up, half down, or 2 French braids. So I went ahead and added my elastic band. Also, there were 3 combs there. I went ahead and pulled all 3 out. Yeah, also I took off the back half of the lace. This is it here. Now normally I would go ahead and add powder underneath. I'm just going to fill in where I need powder as I style the wig. This one is super nice. You guys can see it's just flawless. Like, look how that front sits and lays.
Okay, so we're going to speed it up just a bit. Can you look at this hairline? I know I'm showing the hairline so much in this video, but I'm so astonished. I'm really excited about this one. I'm definitely going to be wearing this one a lot. So I'm going to take my Old Faithful Got to Be Glued freeze spray, and I'm just going to spray my pseudo hairline. I have a big forehead. Great thing about that is I don't have to worry about my glue or my freeze spray or my spritz sitting on my hairline. It's ripping out my edges because it can just go right on my forehead. So I'm trying to not do the speed up thing so much in my videos anymore. Some areas of the video it's just, I mean, you guys don't want to see me do something forever, so I will. But kind of slowing down for some parts so you guys can see how things get done. Once I go ahead and put the or bond the wig down, I kind of just hold on to it for a little while and let it bond down. Can you see this hairline? Once it bonds down, it looks amazing. Now I do have to go back in and touch it up, but that looks so good. If you want to go ahead, you can also use a blow dryer on a cool setting to help you bond it down even more. I just find that it kind of has a more, at least like a little white cast, so your hairline kind of looks a little bit messy.
Okay, so what I love about this wig is that it's ready to go. Of course, it was secured in the box with like the net, and it had the tissue paper in the side. You guys know the white tissue paper inside, and I feel like it came ready to go. Like, this is actually some amazing quality hair. Almost all the time I have to go in and straighten and bump it. Literally, I don't have to. Like, I mean, I'm gonna add some curls actually. But this is literally the most easy ready-made wig I've had in a long time. It's so good in the hairline that you don't even really need baby hair. The hair doesn't need to be straightened. It's super soft and silky. This is what it looks like from the back. And of course my braids under are not super flat, which I can't wait this weekend. I'm going to get them braided. That way it'll lay super flat for the holidays. And then I didn't add any powder to the parting, and you guys see that? Like, if you need something for, it's too late for Thanksgiving, but if you need some holiday hair for Christmas or the New Year's, even if you don't want to do the ombre red, I highly recommend this wig. I don't know if you guys can even tell on camera because texture is not necessarily something you can pick up, but this hair feels so soft. I don't even want to put any shines or anything in it.
Okay, now we're going to begin curling. I felt like it was just too easy to just put it on, so I had to give you guys something. I really love the way the curls are going to come out in this one, because obviously I already know the end result, but I'm just going to do curls away from my face on this half of my head and curls away from my face on the opposite half. I'm going to speed through and add a little bit of music, but I just kind of want to let you know what I'm doing. It's best to section the hair off. I also find that the hair straightened always makes for better curls than, you know, going in like frizzy hair. This hair was already straight, obviously, and it was nice and silky, so I didn't have to do anything or add any product. You're going to see I am going to use my holding spray, which is the Sebastian Shapers, just after each section to go ahead and add a little bit of hold. And to maintain the curls, I am going to be using my flexi rods. I think I have the purple ones and the gray ones and the orange ones, so I think I'm going to go with the big ones, the purple ones, tonight, and see how that goes, just because I want to again start getting into those, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. So I've done the first section and it's nice and good. I'm going to add my spray, as I said before. Everything I use is listed in the description bar if you're interested in purchasing, or if you just want to see what it looks like for whenever you go out into the store. You guys can see that my sideburns are not bonded down as far as the lace goes. They never bond down for me. I don't know what it is, but the got to be glued never works for my sideburns. And if it does, my sideburns have to be like completely shaven and no hair there. But, you know, it's all good in the neighborhood. So this time, this wig was definitely a pleasure to curl. I only curled this side on camera. Ironically, the other side came out better. I still feel like when I curl, one side always comes out better than the other. Not sure if that's because of my low level of expertise or if it's because I am left-handed and not right-handed. Either way it goes, I still love the way everything came out. After I was done, I went on top on each side and I did 3 big curls, and I recurled 3 pieces, and I did not you know, spread them apart. I kind of just held them there. And it is later in the evening. We're about to go out because it's our anniversary, and I don't even have to touch up my hair too much because I added those extra curls. So keep that in mind. Whenever you curl, don't spread your curls apart until you're actually ready to go, and that's going to kind of help to hold the hair in place. That way your curls don't drop as fast. Now I'm almost done. It took me about 10 to 15 minutes each side, and again, this was really easy. This is a babyless curling iron. I have it linked down below. Really thankful for this hairline. I wish all companies were this good with the hairline, but I do find that the top bank area type of curls always should be what do you call it, pin curled, just because those, I hate when those drop because the front has to be popping. So I am going to pin curl it. I hold it in place. It's really hot. I just add a little bit of a T-pin, and this looks gorgeous. All of the curls are not the same size and they're not completely uniform, and I actually like that about this look. Super duper beautiful. And again, the hair itself is really gorgeous in the straight length as well. Now it's sped up and I've done the bottom half of this side. Once I was done, I added a little bit of holding spray, and you guys can see what it looks like. And now we're done with the curls. Super gorgeous. So now I'm going to work on the top. A lot of the times I'll do the top at first, and by the time I do the curls, it kind of has to be redone, so I saved it for the end. I used a little bit of foam lotion. I'm going to use a little bit of the Got to Be Glued spray, and also my curling iron, the heat from the curling iron, to sort of train the hair to go in the direction I want. I'm not going to be doing baby hair today, so I kind of want to show off the hairline a little bit, but kind of do the little bit of a flip over on each side, and this technique works amazing. I'm going to use a little bit of my edge booster, my favorite edge control, and I'm just going to slick the edges down. Even though I'm not doing any baby hair, I still want it to look, you know, sleek and done up. I kind of by habit did a little bit of baby hair on the side, but it's not like a big huge thing or situation. It just makes it look more done, if that makes any sense. But if you kind of like it more, you know, natural and feathery, you don't have to do this step. Now that we're completely done with the hair, I'm going to take my Y2 comb and just make everything married together, and you guys can see how amazing this look is. I highly recommend these steps to make this look for your holiday parties. Looks super duper poppin'. Really in love with this hair and this hairstyle. I think 16 inches was the perfect length to create this look. And this is what the hair looks like from the back. Excuse my braids. I do need to get my hair braided down this weekend. Yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying these tutorials. 30 days, 30 videos. Got to catch up a little bit. Almost forgot to add a little bit of powder to the parting. I am using an eyeshadow. You can use a foundation, a liquid concealer. I find that powder products work the best as far as no transfer, you know, a little bit of a neater finish. I almost forgot that this was a full lace wig, so I did go back in the end and extend the parting a little bit to be more complementary to my liking. I just secured that really nice with a little bit of powder, a little bit of mousse, a little bit of heat, and we're all done.
Okay, so I gotta close my door really quickly because my kids are watching Boss Baby. Okay, so I'm all done and I am super happy. I feel like I'm getting a little bit better at my curls. Like these kind of feel like I kind of sort of did something. So I opted for, wait, and if you look at it when I touch it, they're so soft. If I did not mention, this is a 16-inch full lace wig, so it's a nice perfect length for the holidays. I feel like short hair is always nice and good, you know, like Thanksgiving with a cute little sweater. Yeah, what I loved most about this one is I did not tweeze, pluck, or do anything to the hairline, and it's looking pretty good. I can go ahead and touch it up with the freeze spray. Finger, kind of go in and remelt that lace, and then from there, you see that makes a huge difference. But if I'm not going to do baby hair, I do like for it to look melted. I feel like if you know wigs, then you know it's still a wig. But, you know, sometimes it's good to just not do baby hair. Like, I do baby hair out of habit, always on camera. But I don't wear baby hair every day in real life. So I kind of want to start bringing that element to you guys so you can see. For those of you who don't like to do baby hair, that you can pull it off. Or if you just want something subtle, you can just take these little pieces here and kind of use those little strips to kind of swoop to kind of hide that line of demarcation where the lace starts. But it came pre-plucked. I did not tweeze out anything. I didn't do anything. Here looked already amazing. I did add a little bit of powder, but it looked amazing from the get-go. But anyways, I'm super pleased with the way this one came out. Don't forget to check out Afsister wig. They have some bomb wigs. I've definitely worked with this company before, so I'll try to leave the other wig I have from them or the review tutorial on it listed in the description bar. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.